Okay guys, yeah, I picked up this MrHeater 30 to 60,000 BTU propane heater for the garage. The heat I was getting just wasn't getting it what I was trying to use. And it heats up to 1,500 square feet. Operation hours up to 14 hours. Using the propane tank. Variable rates. Quick assembly, industrial durability, outdoor use. You know, we got it going in the garage, we got it out of the box. Take you over there and let you see it. Like I said, once again, I'm throwing some heat out. Come with propane cord. Must probably have come with 15 or 20 foot of it, but it's not going to chill off. When I started it up earlier, it was like 18 degrees in here, and right now it is about 32. So it's took it a couple hours to warm it up, but you know, I've got a pretty big garage here, 880 square feet. Of course, it's a high ceiling. You may have to put me a low ceiling, but it definitely got throwing some warm air out. But like I said, I apologize for the noise. I thought I did this earlier this morning, but I forgot to hit the record button. So there we go. We're going to let her go for a couple more hours, see what it does. If you like videos like this, hit that like, subscribe, and bell notifications.